ये एक सोशल प्रॉब्लम है, एक सामाजिक प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है? इसे समाज को एड्रेस करना पड़ेगा। The court has not turned its eyes away from problem that only seems to worsen. A 70% increase in last decade is welcome. However, the task force, which is to be headed by former Supreme Court Justice Ravindra Bhatt, is not a solution. It is merely one step towards addressing the challenge. It work which include representatives from various fields could shed much needed light. अब तक टास्क फोर्स बनाई गई है, रिसर्च करेगी, अध्ययन करके बताएगी अपना. But the larger picture of student well-being called for the participation of all stakeholders. देखिए जितने stakeholders involved हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, गार्जियंस हैं, उन सबका मिलना जुलना ज़रूरी है. The government too must make good on the promise of initiatives like the National Education Policy 20, which emphasizes students' well-being and mental health by prioritizing reform that focuses on nurturing individual potential rather than a one-size-fits-all model. Crucially, there needs to be concerted efforts to replace the hyper-competitiveness that characterizes students' life with a genuine love for knowledge, where curiosity rather than role is learning is rewarded. देखिए नॉलेज की तरफ सोसाइटी को इंक्लाइंट होने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, ना कि सिर्फ एक स्कोर ओरिएंटेड नॉलेज की तरफ, जो कि डिप्रेशन का कारण बनता जा रहा है ना? रिजल्ट्स, मार्क्स, ये नहीं प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए. अगला आर्टिकल है गाइया के बारे में. यूरोपियन कार्टोग्राफर ऑफ कॉस्मोस, नाउ रिटायर्ड. The European Space Agency shut down its space observatory mission Gaia on Thursday, launched in December 13. Gaia aimed to create the most precise three-dimensional map of galaxy from July 2014 to 2025. Gaia formulas global astrometric interferometer of our astrophysics were designed to map the universe by accurately measuring the positions and motions of stars. इसकी कार्टोग्राफी क्या होती है? कार्टोग्राफी होती है आर्ट ऑफ मैपिंग, मैप्स वगैरह ड्रॉ करना. तो ये भी आपकी यूनिवर्स का मैप बना रही तरीके से, गैलेक्सीज का, स्टार्स के मोशन और पोजीशंस को कैलकुलेट करके. इट वाज पोजीशन एट लैग्रेंज पॉइंट 2 एंड अराउंड 1 बिलियन किलोमीटर्स बिहाइंड द अर्थ as viewed from the sun. Twin telescopes are placed in different directions, directing light to a single digital camera with nearly a billion pixels, making it largest in space. The spacecraft was fitted with 3 instruments as in trimeter, एस्ट्रोमीटर, फोटोमीटर एंड स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर. मतलब कई इक्विपमेंट्स लगे हुए थे उसमें, जो कि हेल्प करते हैं गाया को मैपिंग करने में. Gaia observation have shown single-handedly the shape of Milky Way, a central bar and spiral arms. Viewed from its edge, the galaxy is seen as a disk with a bulge at center. However, Gaia showed that the disk is wrapped up and wobbles slowly from left to right, like